Hey, what's going on? James Bill here. Uh, just wanted to speak to you all today. It's going on a year now. February 24th will actually be make my year anniversary. It's when I started my online journey officially. Uh, Guys, honestly, when I first started this journey, I had no clue as to what the online marketing platform was about, or how do you earn an income, from an online space. Literally, how would you get money out of your computer? Was the questions that I had. But let me tell you, the journey has been so wonderful. I've learned so much, not just how to earn commissions and make money online, but the integrity of the online space and what it takes, the selflessness, how to share. You have to share. This business is about learning and taking what you learn, apply it, and teach it to someone else, pass it along. If not, you're going to have information overload. And I'd like to say thanks to my wonderful mentor, David Sharp. Thank you, man. You've really helped me to see the light. I've had several breakthrough moments with you and the crew. So thank you for that. I mean, if it's any of you out there that's kind of on the fence and you're wondering if this is real, can I actually work from home? Let me tell you, last year for Christmas, I had one of the best Christmas times of my life due to the fact that I was able to earn commissions online. And I'm gonna be blunt. I made $10,000 in 30 days, and I don't like to talk about the money part too much, but that is what it's all about. And I was able to earn $10,000 online, and I had a excellent Christmas. My family, everyone was happy. Then I turned around and was able to go to my first mastermind event. I had never been to one before. Not only did I have the money to go to it, but I had the time because I do this full time now, and I didn't have to ask anyone, could I take off? I'm my own boss now, thanks to my online business where I'm the CEO. And if this is something that you're seeking and you're serious about, guys, we have step by step training over the shoulder that can get you going. You can really be your own boss. Make your family proud, make yourself proud, but you have to believe in yourself. So if this is something you may be interested in, go ahead and click on the link below and we'll get you some information. Thank you.